This is a brief video on how to set up Intex Pool Maintenance Kit. Take out all the parts from the box and check with the manual that you have all of the parts listed. Tie the debris collection bag onto the cleaning head. Attach the vacuum head onto the shaft and snap to secure. Mount the garden hose onto the clip. Ensure the flat washer is placed in the coupling. Screw garden hose into vacuum head. To use the vacuum, turn on the garden hose and sweep the pool liner. Remove the vacuum by pressing the spring buttons and remove from the shaft. Then attach the pool skimmer head and sweep the surface of the pool. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.